and then the candle closed, and then we look inside this range here. So when you're looking at market structure shifts, this is all time frames. So don't think this is just the intraday version of it, but I'm specifically dealing with intraday. So when we create that high down to the low that breaks the short-term low here, so now we have that shift in market structure there, right below that low. That is the displacement low. This is your displacement high. So what's the big deal about that? Oh, you're just trying to add some words, ICT. You sound smart that way, don't you? No, it's conceptual ideas being expressed. So what you have in between that range, that right there, you're going to be hunting your fair value gaps because that's exactly where it's going to form. Don't take my word for it. Every one of your examples are going to have this. Oh. Don't take my word as the only thing to believe. Go into your charts and you will be convinced of it in short order. Period. So if you're bearish and you see price run above an old high, then it breaks below the old high and takes out a short-term low prior to that run above. That short-term low being broken, draw that out in time. That's your displacement low, and the high is your displacement high. So that range between here and here, that's displacement. How do you know it's displacement? How it closes down here below that low. Is it just a real short little drop below it? It might have a fair value gap, but it also might be likely to go higher and create another high. So this is the secret to it here, knowing how we trade below that, and if it's energetic, a lot of movement, a big beefy bearish candle that closes low below this level right there. Okay, if we have that, as soon as we have that candle form, start watching to see if it creates a fair value gap in between this low and this candle's high, or that range, okay? That's exactly where the fair value gap to sell short will form. If there is no fair value gap in here, guess what? You don't have a trade. You wait or go to another market because one of them is going to be